reason this turtle shell is yellow is the same reason this house finch is red, flamingos are pink, and autumn leaves are orange, red, or yellow. They get their color from carotenoids in the food they eat. It's a fascinating example of evolutionary biology because these two very different animals actually split from a common ancestor many millions of years ago, and both share a biochemical pathway that has been conserved across that distant lineage that directly converts dietary carotenoids into red pigments that are expressed in their feathers or scales. Even more interesting, these colors serve as a visual indicator of the animal's health, and subsequently, an indication of their fitness for mating. In fact, infections like shell disease have been shown to affect the coloration of these turtles. More colorful animals have better success in reproduction, but it can come at a significant cost. There's something laying over here in the field that I want to go show you, so let's go check it out. So there's a turtle shell over here. I thought it was a live turtle. I believe it's a river cooter. In being so brightly colored, these turtles risk attracting the attention of predators in exchange for a better chance of mating. Those of us who drove our cars at 100 miles per hour as teenagers to impress girls can relate. Research, my own research actually, has shown that turtles do not show a preference for carotenoid-rich plants over fish, suggesting they prioritize intake of fats and proteins that help facilitate the carotenoid expression. Even so, they must also passively graze on carotenoid-rich plants to keep their colors vibrant. It's a delicate dance. In captive husbandry, optimal lighting and proper nutrition are essential for keeping turtles healthy and colorful. In finches, carotenoid-based coloration is similarly directly tied to diet quality and overall health. Just like turtles, they can't make these pigments themselves, they have to eat them. And only the healthiest birds can afford to divert carotenoids away from immune function and into bright feathers. That makes red coloration an honest signal of fitness, and even a subtle indicator of habitat quality. In degraded environments, finches often appear duller because the ecosystem itself can't support vibrant coloration. Now, I mentioned my own research earlier. Before I was a park ranger, I was a biologist. I published a few papers and abstracts on the subject, and I'll link those in the description if you're curious. But the overall point is that the colors we admire in wildlife are as beautiful as they are costly. And like most things in evolution, they exist because taking a risk is the price of being seen. And that's a principle that we can all remember and apply in our own lives.